Mila's Garden Adventure. Mila had been on summer break forever, and all her friends were busy, so she was very bored. She had rode her bike, read her books, and watched the clouds. Mila's mom told her to go outside and said, "Go explore the garden and tell me all the things that you find." So Mila's adventure began, and she headed out into the garden. She sat down in the garden, and when she really looked, she saw all the things that helped the garden grow. There was the ant, who digs tunnels deep down in the dirt and brings food to the plants. He can even lift things 20 times his size. There's the bee, who lands on flowers and takes the pollen hidden deep in the middle of it. Then she travels to another flower, and another, and another. When she lands on the flower, she gives it pollen from the other flowers so that they can make even more flowers. There's the worm, who eats up the dirt as he wiggles through it. Then he poops out healthy dirt for the plants to eat so they can help grow strong. The bird sings beautiful songs and eats up all the bugs that hurt the garden. They also eat up seeds and drop them so that more plants can grow. There's the caterpillar, who eats up the leaves so he can grow big and strong to form a cocoon. They sit in their cocoon for 3 weeks and they come out brand new. The caterpillars come out of their cocoon as big, beautiful butterflies. They're not only beautiful, but they help the garden by spreading the pollen just like the bees do. There's the flowers, who scare off all the bugs who want to hurt the garden with their big, bright colors. His flowers grow deep into the dirt so he can drink water and eat. There's the tree, whose cracked bark makes a home for all the bugs and little creatures. His branches give the birds a place to live and the bees a place to build their hives. There's the bunny rabbit, who hides during the day. He comes out at night to nibble on weeds, grass, and sometimes the vegetables growing in the garden. There's the spider, who spins a big, beautiful web. He uses his web to catch all the bugs that try to hurt the garden. There's the roly-poly, who's the only crustacean to live on land and likes to hide under the rocks. He eats up the dead plants and flowers to make food for all the healthy ones. There's the deer, who might sneak into the garden at night and bring babies in the summer. When they sneak into the garden, they eat up the flowers, the weeds, the grass, the berries, and even more. There's the ladybug, who eats the teeny tiny aphid bugs that try to eat the leaves. He also uses his bright red wings to scare away dangerous birds. So after finding all these things in the garden, Mila went back inside and told her mom about each and everything she had found. And it was on that summer day when Mila was bored that she found a whole new world living in her backyard.